A table-mounted sheet pan rack is a great way to give your pan storage a boost without investing in a full-size floor model rack. Installing a Regency pan rack on your work table is quick and easy. Before you purchase your rack, it's important to note that this product can only be installed on tables that are 30 inches or 36 inches front to back and that measure at least 30 inches long. First, connect the two ends of the rack together using the included posts and hardware. Next, flip your table over and align the rack on the table's hat channels, placing it in the position where you want it to mount. Use the pre-drilled holes on the rack as a guide to mark and drill pilot holes into the channels, being careful not to drill through the tabletop. After that, tighten the rack into place using sheet metal screws to complete the installation. Just attach the legs and undershelf to your tabletop per the manufacturer's instructions and you're ready to use the new pan rack.